Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to download APK files on iPhone. Alright, let's begin. First of all, you'll have to go over to any browser and search for the target APK file you want to download. For example, we have Instagram Rocket app. Now over here, I'll go to any website and just download the APK from there. Once the file is downloaded, close the browser and open up the App Store. Now, search for Unzip and download this app. Once done, open up the Unzip app and import your file over here. To do that, tap on the plus icon on the top right-hand side and then select iCloud Drive from the menu. Now, just select the APK file from here and import it. After that, tap on the three dots icon beside the app and you'll see an option for Modify File Extension. Just tap on it and then change the APK to IPA. Once done, close the app and open up the browser again. Inside it, search for AMS1GN and open the first website. Now, tap on the Order Now button and then select Install Profile. You can then tap on Allow and launch your device settings. Inside it, you'll see an option of Profile Downloaded. Just tap on it and then install this onto your device. After that, you will be redirected to this web page. Here, you just have to fill this form and then verify the payments. Once done, you will get the option to install apps. So that's basically how you can download APK files on iPhone. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.